No, you bird. Don't fly away. That duck wanted to go away. I went, no, you. And it went away. Yeah, happy birthday to Stevie Wonder. Very superstitious. Yeah. That's right. Unfortunately, character actor Fred Ward ain't getting nothing for Christmas. Yeah, that's right. R.I.P. my brother. Born on this day, jazz musician, Gil Evans. Yeah, yuck. That's right, jazz musician Gil Evans. That's right. And Red Garland. Well, bust out your piano and your saxophone. Yeah, that's right. On this day, we remember Bob Willis. Died on this day. Yeah, that's right. R.I.P., my brother. Yeah, from one Buffalo to Steve Winwood. Happy birthday, yeah. Winwood, yeah. And the Grunk. Yeah, I hope you catch some more footballs from Tom Brady. Yeah, happy birthday. Gronkowski. Yeah, Rob Gronkowski. That's right, yeah. Happy birthday, David Byrne. A long time ago, the Talking Heads heard they're breaking up, so they ain't getting nothing for Christmas. But he always gets something for Christmas. Yeah, that's right.